like I said, we're taking over Ghana and we're checking out all of the cool, artistic, cultural spaces. And today we're doing arts and crafts. And here we are at a place where they make unique coffins. When you die in Ghana, you die in style, meaning you are put in a coffin that represents what you love. So, without further ado, let's go see the coffin makers, okay? Let's go. Hello, how are you doing? How long have you been doing this? Hello?
About 50 years.
You said 50?
Yeah.
You said 50 years.
Yeah.
How old are you?
Oh, okay. It's not me. I will start it.
Oh, okay, but some stuff. Okay then, 50 years. But this has been around for 50 years. Okay, because you look young. Okay, so we are working on a coffin today.
Yeah, I remember.
What's this one gonna be?
Pardon?
What is this coffin gonna be?
Okay, this one like a normal one.
Oh, just simple. Oh, okay, no decorations.
Yeah.
Yes.
But only this one is like a cheap sword.
Oh, that's a sword.
Yeah.
Oh, so let me ask you. So the coffins are made to what the people loved in their life. Is that what it is?
Okay, the people did like this one.
He was a chief.
Chief
Uh-huh.
or a war leader.
Oh, okay.
But we have like a president who swear each other the
Uh-huh.
sword.
Yes.
Like this. Yeah.
So like me, I like makeup. So you make me a makeup box.
Yes.
Abby?
Last time somebody made
The nails?
yeah,
Oh.
bottle for them.
Oh, the nails polish.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. So this one, Coca-Cola bottle. Somebody drank too much Coke.
Are you ready for this?
Just decorations. So you make decorations too if you want for wood decorations.
You can put your people, somebody came here,
Oh,
you can see,
nice,
yeah.
nice, nice.
This one is for a chief.
It's for a chief. It's like a slave.
This one is
Let me see that one. I want to see that one. Art screen. Like an art screen? Oh, chocolate ice cream. Oh, ice cream. Oh, nice. And this hair dryer. Oh, I see the handle. Oh, I see the handle. I see the handle. Ah, camera. Moski, you like that one? Moski said, I'm not going to say nothing. Moski, that's your own. And this one is a centipede. Looks like a centipede. Right? So how long does it take to make these things? How long does it take to make a ornate, like something like this?
one.
Yeah, one.
Okay, it's 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Yeah.
That's with the because you did get it for a piece of wood, right?
Yeah.
Carve it,
Carving everything.
paint it, put the material. This one you had material, put on it.
3 weeks.
3 weeks. And the camera one?
Camera was the same.
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Oh wow! So how big? You get like a big chunk of wood? Like what? Like when you're making it? Is it how
Okay,
the wood?
The wood is not a big wood.
Yeah.
Like a small one. Then
Yeah.
you can join it
Together.
before you can get a shape.
Oh,
If you
nice.
Look, have a look.
Yes.
You can see the jointments.
Oh yeah, the different pieces of wood.
Yeah, if you look.
Yes.
Before you can put a
Put
shape.
it in. And how do you fit somebody in here? Somebody's body can fit in there?
Yeah.
Ah. Let's see. Wow. Wow. It is a full box. Wow. Oh, let's not break it though. Oh, this is beautiful. So everybody can fit. It's a filled thing.
So this is 6 feet.
6 feet. Oh, okay. Nice.
Some people more than 6 feet.
Yes.
They can expand the
Oh, you can make it bigger and for people that are like 6'4". Yes. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much for having us here. Can we check out the other ones over there?
you can go.
Well, let's go over there. You want to come with us? Come follow us now. And we gonna carry you. Oh, okay, palanquin.
The chief sitting inside.
Oh, okay.
And they carrying about the debata.
Nice, nice, nice. And there goes the chief head. It looks like a chief.
No, this one's
Yeah. Air Force man, huh? Yes. Yes. Oh, that's the eagles, the beginning of their like wings, right? Yeah, okay. All right, we go upstairs. This is big. You have a big operation here. This is a major. Wow, look at the wings. That's beautiful. Wow.
This one is a stool.
Like a golden stool. That's a traditional stool, right?
Traditional stool.
Nice.
This one is the bread.
My favorite thing, other favorite thing is bread, Abby. And what's that one, a peanut? A candy? Ant. Oh, ants. Oh, it looked like a peanut. Beautiful. And how much do these coffins cost? What is the average?
Okay, every coffin we have a price.
Uh-huh.
Like this one is to
Okay. Same price. But what about that one for the chief? That's expensive. Looks expensive.
No, the same price.
Really? So everything's around 4,500.
Yeah.
When does it get more expensive?
Okay, we have a Mercedes Benz and a policeman.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have a different ones of the
Prices dependent. That's the more like when people are asking for extra stuff. So if somebody wants to order, do you have a website, email?
Yeah, we have a website.
Oh, what's your website? So they could tell them so that if somebody wants to get there.
Hello Design Coffin, www. I might forget my but
Hello Design Coffin.
yeah.
www.hellodesigncoffin.
Yeah.
Yes.com. In Ghana. But it's in Teshi. So if you're looking, just come to Teshi and ask them where's the coffin shop in Teshi.
Yeah.
And they can do it. Okay? All right. Thank you so much.